Today we are going to see the negative and in something. They both sound quite similar, so we'll try to understand it better. So, in order not to confuse ourselves, if it is negative or in something. As I told you before, they both have the sound l as suffix. L. So that can be quite confusing for a learner to differentiate between if it is in something or if it is a negative sentence. We'll try to understand that better now. Let us now first look at the first set of examples, that is something that means like in it or at it or during. All of them could be said using paiyi. Paiyi means bag. Payile, in the bag. Mara kalathila. Mara means rain. Kalathila, in the season. So during the monsoon. Mara kalathila. So during, which also some kind of means in the season, during the season. Adula, in it. Adu means that, in it. Adula. So payila means in the bag. Mara kalathila means during the rainy season. Adula means in it. Now let us see the similar sounding negative sentence. Kudukkala means did not give or is not giving. Mudila could not, and mudila also means did not end. Vangala did not buy. Kudukala, mudila, vangala. We are now moving on to the short phrases. Just imagine someone is asking you a question. It is there in it. Adula means in it. Irukku. It is there. Is it there? Irukku. Irukku is it is there. Irukku meaning is it there? Adula irukku. Adula irukku. Illa? It is not there? That's a question. And the answer is adula illa. No, it is not in it. Adula illa. So adula irukku. Illa means it's there. Now that's illa. The first illa is more of a doubt. The second one is adula illa. No, it's not in it. It is in it. No, it is not in it. Adula irukku. Illa. Adula illa. Adula irukku. Illa. Adula illa. I did not sleep during the day. Na pagalla means during the day. Pagalla. Pagal means day. Pagalla during the daytime. Na pagalla Tungala did not sleep. Na pagalla tungala. I did not sleep during the day. Na pagalla tungala. Na pagalla tungala. Na pagalla tungala. We did not watch this movie in the theater. In the cinema means this movie. Nanga we theaterla in the theaterla parkla did not watch. You can see often a smaller letter which I have made in order for you to understand the pronunciation. You could say parkla, parkla. இந்த சினிமாவை நாங்க தியேட்டர்ல பார்க்கல. You don't have to say பார்க்கல. It is பார்க்கல. That's a slightly constructed sound. பார்க்கல. We did not watch this movie in the theater. இந்த சினிமாவை நாங்கள் தியேட்டரில் பார்க்கல. இந்த சினிமாவை நாங்கள் தியேட்டரில் பார்க்கல. He's not at home. He was not at home. You could use when you say வீட்டில் at home அவன் இருக்குல. That's one way of saying it, not very often used, but still you'll hear people saying that. இல்ல simply means no, he was not at home. வீட்டுல அவன் இல்ல. And this, when a negative is used in Tamil, it can be both past tense or just the present tense. You're saying that he's not at home now, or you went there and he was not there. So வீட்டுல அவன் இல்ல, he was not at home, or he is not at home. Both. It just has to be understood more contextually. He's not at home. He was not at home. வீட்டுல அவன் இருக்கல. வீட்டுல அவன் இல்ல. வீட்டுல அவன் இல்ல. We did not water the plant, or the plant is not watered. Here there's the ambiguity in the way it's constructed, because that's the uniqueness of each of the any language. Chedile means in the plant or to the plants. Tanni, water. Utala, did not pour. So we don't know if it's not been poured, or if you're making a statement, or if someone has not done their duty. So it could be understood both ways. It's, we are saying that it's not poured. There's no water in the plants. There's no water poured for the plants. So we don't know if someone has not been doing their job, or it's not been watered. It means both. செடியில தண்ணி ஊத்தல. We did not water the plant, or it can also mean they did not water the plant. The plant is not watered. That's simple, a passive sentence. So செடியில தண்ணி ஊத்தல. I did not keep the glasses in the car. Here the meaning is we're talking about the eyewear, that is the spectacle. Na means I. Kannadiya, the glasses. Karla, in the car. Vakkala, did not keep. Kannadi is a word that we use also for the mirror. So you have to remember, when someone says, bring the mirror, people say, Kannadi konduva, bring the mirror. Kannadiya konduva. Na Kannadiya karla, that means in the car. And car is a very commonly used word. People don't say the Tamil word for it. Instead, colloquially, you could use the word car. Karla vakkala, did not keep. I did not keep the glasses in the car. நான் கண்ணாடியை காரில் வைக்கல. நான் கண்ணாடியை காரில் வைக்கல. I'm pasting small pictures there for you. So it's a little easier for you to remember if you look at the picture and then try to remember the sentence. And every time you can recall the picture image to recall the vocabulary or even the sentence. He does not remember it yet. அது means that one. அவனுக்கு for him. இன்னும் means still. ஞாபகத்தில் வரல. ஞாபகத்தில் means in the memory or to the memory. It hasn't come to his memory yet. That's the literal translation. அது அவனுக்கு இன்னும் ஞாபகத்தில் வரல. So you have to just remember the two words. It's often you said ஞாபகத்தில் வரல, you don't remember, and the answer will be ஓ இல்லை ஞாபகத்துக்கு வரல, or ஞாபகத்தில் வரல, ஞாபக ஞாபகத்துக்கு வரல, and also it is ஞாபகத்தில் வரல. You could say both. So you don't have to remember is a one word in Tamil, but in one word in English. In Tamil it's two words. ஞாபகத்தில் வரல. அது ஞாபகத்தில் வரல. That I don't remember. He doesn't remember it yet. அது அவனுக்கு இன்னும் ஞாபகத்தில் வரல. அது அவனுக்கு இன்னும் ஞாபகத்தில் வரல. I'm not able to focus on the work. வேலையில் என்னால் கவனம் செலுத்த முடியல. வேலையில், in English we say on the work. I couldn't concentrate on the work. In Tamil, it is more often la, just a la sound. Even if you say on the table, we simply say table la, or on the shelf. You say shelf la. So it just means when you say shelf, it's over there. It's just understood that you're not going to stick it under the shelf. So it just means it's just there. It's going to be on top. I mean, logically. So, வேலையில் and என்னால for me, கவனம் செலுத்த முடியல, could not focus. வேலையில் on the work, என்னால கவனம் செலுத்த முடியல. And similarly, when we say at home, in Tamil, it is again வீட்டில், that is all. There's no at, in, on, and all. It's வீட்டில், at home, வேலையில், on the work. I'm not able to focus on the work. வேலையில் என்னால் கவனம் செலுத்த முடியல. வேலையில் என்னால் கவனம் செலுத்த முடியல. Again, it is a useful vocabulary here. கவனம் செலுத்த. கவனம் means your focus. செலுத்த means you're keeping your focus. I couldn't keep my focus. That's the meaning. Instead of I couldn't focus, it means I couldn't keep my focus. வேலையில் என்னால் கவனம் செலுத்த முடியல. I did not notice anything in the noise that he made. அவன் போட்ட சத்தத்தில் நான் எதையுமே கேட்கல. அவன் போட்ட சத்தத்தில், அவன் means he, போட்ட சத்தத்தில், the noise he made, நான் எதையுமே, nothing at all or anything at all, கவனிக்கல, I did not notice. அவன் போட்ட சத்தத்தில் நான் எதையுமே கவனிக்கல. In the noise he made, I couldn't hear, I couldn't listen to anything. I did not notice anything in the noise that he made. I did not notice anything in the noise that he made. அவன் போட்ட சத்தத்தில் நான் எதையுமே கவனிக்கல. You're not participating in the game. விளையாட்டில் means in the game. நீ கலந்துக்கல. You're not participating. You're not in the game. You're not participating. You're not participating in the game. விளையாட்டில் நீ கலந்துக்கல. கலந்துக்கல means just to take part, being a part of it. கலக்கிறது is also means mix. So you're just going and mixing with them. That's a literal meaning here. விளையாட்டில் நீ கலந்துக்கல. You're not interested in coming. You're not interested in coming. வரதில் means incoming. உனக்கு for you. இஷ்டமில்லை. You're not interested. You're not interested in coming. You're not interested in coming. வரதில் உனக்கு இஷ்டம் இல்லை. வரதில் உனக்கு இஷ்டமில்லை. He has not even the slightest interest in studying. படிக்கிறதுல meaning in studying. அவனுக்கு for him கொஞ்சம் கூட even the slightest ஆர்வமே இல்லை. படிக்கிறதுல means in studying. அவனுக்கு for him கொஞ்சம் கூட even the slightest ஆர்வமே இல்லை. No interest at all. He has not even the slightest interest in studying. படிக்கிறதுல அவனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட ஆர்வமே இல்லை. படிக்கிறதுல அவனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கூட ஆர்வமே இல்லை. I'll be making many more videos for you to learn. So if you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, Varthakal.